Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I want to try something different. I've shown you a part before where I did some steps and stuff like that, some I think lunges or dips. And today I'm running out of time a little bit, but I want to try it anyway. So for that I gotta change clothes, and to change clothes real quick I gotta do this. Ha! All right, we seem to be ready. This is more appropriate to try that out. So I'll take you on a quick bike ride and we'll go try it out.
Well, there you go, guys. I had to completely change the plans. As you've seen, when I got to the park where I wanted to train, there was a lot of people, and I don't mind training with other people around me, but it's the problem with the camera. I want to film it, and people really don't like that. So I'll try to keep that for an early morning, and I'll be there alone. So I changed it up a little bit, and we did some off-roading a little bit with the bike, and it's really not set up for it, but I had a lot of fun. I'm a little bit banged up, maybe you can see. I went into trails that I shouldn't have, and it was pretty funny because I even took a trail that I used to take when I was younger, and with this bike that's that high, and me being 46 and not 15, I didn't want to try it. So it's pretty funny to see the different mindset being older, but I had a lot of fun, and I hope you liked it too. So I'll see you next week. Take care. Bye bye.